Hey guys, hope you're all doing well. This is Earn Curve, my investing application that I'm building for people of all ages and all walks of life to generate passive income from Wall Street. I'm simplifying investing for everybody, which is freaking incredible. And again, I've been wanting to do this for a very long time. I've taken that leap of faith to start this, and the community's already growing with over 100 subscribers already on the wait list. So if you haven't joined the wait list, the website is earncurveinvest.com. Make sure you go sign up to the wait list, and if you can donate to this, it would be freaking incredible. So I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the application, all right? Because a lot of you have asked me what the hell this is. You are getting a sneak peek of it. I'm not going to disclose too much because there is a lot of confidentiality to do with this to set this all up so no one steals my idea. But I hope you enjoy this preview of it. Let's get into it. Here is your sign-in page right here. Again, real-time investments, welcome back. Your forget password, all of that stuff. Portfolio right here, check this out. This is bullish. And again, the portfolio and generating passive income on Wall Street.